I just love gnome cookies, and Valentine's Day is a perfect occasion to make some. Using a 15-second royal icing, outline the hat. Then outline the body. Fill in the body with the same royal icing. Then immediately, using white royal icing, add some dots to the body. Let that dry for about 5 minutes and then fill in the cap. Don't pipe over the line that we made over on the one side. That's going to be a wrinkle in the cap. Use a scribe or a toothpick to help move the icing where you need it, and then immediately add the white dots to the cap. Moving down to the socks, fill them in with the white icing. Then immediately add the toes and the heels with the pink icing. Use your scribe to move it where you need it to go. Let the cookie dry for about 5 minutes and then add the brim of the cap with a lighter pink icing. Using the same lighter pink icing, add the cuffs to the pajama pants. Now flood in that beard with the white icing. Using red royal icing in a 15-second consistency, add a heart to the end of the cap. Let the cookie dry for at least 5 minutes and then add the mustache. Let that dry for another 5 minutes and then add in a big huge nose. Using heart royal icing transfers that were made ahead of time, put one on the bottom of the gnome cookie. Do this gently in case your cookie isn't dry all the way. Then pipe in some arms with the pink royal icing and immediately add white dots to the arms. Let that dry at least 5 minutes and then pipe in some hands. Use your scribe or toothpick to help shape the hands. Let's add another layer of pink to the brim of the cap, making sure you go over the nose a bit. And using light pink, add some cuffs to the sleeves. Squiggle some icing on the cap and dab at it up and down with a paintbrush to give it a textured, furry look. And these adorable gnome cookies are done. Thanks for watching. Happy Valentine's Day.